Good afternoon. All right, so today is, I'm going to guess, day number 26. And as you saw in the last video, the sole flooring was torn out. And I'm just going to give you an update video. So here we are. What I did was, I had to completely scrub this thing because, you know, it had grime and grease, oil, miscellaneous stuff. I got to watch where I'm stepping because this paint is wet. I just finished it. So I'm in the aft cabin right now, and I only painted where I'm potentially going to have in-bilge storage. So because this is going to be built up by almost 6 inches, I'm probably going to put a hatch here. I mean, that's a good spot to store shoes, sandals, flip-flops, whatever. Under the floor right here. Be a good spot. And then right here in the galley, this is going to be built up to the same level as the master. So we can put some right in front of the sink here, underneath the floor. We can put cleaning supplies, scrubbies, whatever. Then right here will be another hatch or two, and that can be, who knows, canned goods, let's say. Obviously this hatch is going to be to access through hulls. I got my speed indicator there, and blah blah blah. The mast step has been completely scrubbed, sanded, wire brushed, acetoned, primed, and I just primed it this morning, so I gotta wait one more day to paint it, but I might paint it a different color just for kicks and giggles. So let's see. Now, here's the biggest change that I'm going to make. Imagine this floor is here. Here's the nav station. I was going to build a bench here and then put the batteries inside that bench, because this right here was all closed up before and I didn't know what was down here. All I could see was this space here. So I never anticipated that this space here was going to be as big as this one. After I got the floor out, I realized, man, there's a massive hole down here. And now I'm going to put the batteries down in here. I can put 2 and 2 Trojans. So 2 Trojans there, 2 Trojans there. And then I might be able to get another 2 and 2 here. And then I'm going to put the starting battery actually behind the engine. And that's going to free up over here the bench for the nav station with some storage under and storage in the bench for other things. You know, map reading materials, binoculars, shit like that. So anyways, yeah, the 2 batteries are going to go down in there. And then I'll have one big hatch that's kind of screwed down, so it can't come up. Well, I guess that's about it for now. The place is a wreck, but that's what's to be expected when you're under construction. I guess I'll show you one more thing. I wanted to see what was up underneath the V berth, but there's really not much room under the floor there, so I'm just going to end up closing it back up, and I got to take out the edging and all that kind of stuff because I got new plywood going to go in this week. All right, that's it. I think it's day 26. I'm not sure. I don't even know what day it is. I think it's Saturday. But that's it for now. Hang loose.